let me show you how we can go to the safe mode and how we can exit it on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So first we're gonna turn off the phone. So let's press volume up and power button at the same time in order to show the power menu. And now we need to swipe to power off. Once the device is off, you need to press and hold the power button. And once you see the Xiaomi logo, you can release the power button and then wait for the vibration. Once you feel the vibration, you want to press and hold the volume down button until you feel another vibration. So let's get into it. So press and hold the power button. Now we can release it, wait for the vibration, and once you feel it, press volume down and hold it. Alright, press and hold the volume down button. Soon we should see Hyper OS and another vibration. There we go. Now we can release the volume down button and we are in the safe mode. So let me unlock the device. Now if you want to exit the safe mode, what you need to do is simply restart the phone. So once again, let's go to the power menu. There we go. And this time we're gonna swipe down to reboot or restart. And this time, once the phone turns back on, we will be out of the safe mode. We will be back into the normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.